Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great way that you're going to use to gain a whole lot of weight without gaining fat at your belly, your back and your thighs. Like literally this fat is going to be deposited at the right places. Do you know why? Because this fat gaining drink is an healthy one, so it will therefore deposit those fats at the right places and you are gonna be looking sweet 16 figure 8. You know what I mean? Okay, so I can't wait to show you this ingredient. It is quite amazing and I love it. Okay, let me take you right into this video. All right guys, so you want to gain some weight, you're too skinny, maybe at your backside you're too skinny and you don't actually appreciate how skinny you look, or you want to look robust, you want to look healthy, you want to gain some weight. I've got a solution for y'all, and this is one of the ingredients that I'm gonna be introducing to you, and this is sweet potato. Okay guys, so sweet potato is one amazing food that helps so much in gaining weight. It fills in your stomach so well and it helps you not to go hungry. Okay, so it would therefore help you to gain a whole lot of weight and you're gonna be happy with your results. So what we're going to do is that we're going to fill in the sweet potato this way. Now after peeling your sweet potato, then you have to be cutting them in pieces. Just like this. And then you're going to be washing them. Now after doing that, then you're going to be boiling it for about 3 to 5 minutes for it to be very soft. Now after you've done that, this is how your sweet potato is gonna be looking like. Okay, so here I got my sweet potato board. And I'm gonna be cutting that. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is that you're gonna be putting the sweet potato into a blender. Then you're gonna be needing milk. Okay, now milk is a great fat enhancing remedy. It helps you enhance a whole lot of weight and it keeps you healthy. It makes you stay really healthy and it helps you gain weight at those right places, and it also makes you fresh from the inside out. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be pouring in the milk. Yeah, and this is it. Then the very next ingredient you're going to be needing is yogurt. You need fresh creamy yogurt. You don't need a yogurt that doesn't contain sugar. You need a creamy yogurt for this, and then you need it a whole lot. Okay, now when it comes to yogurt, it helps because it contains vitamin E, and that vitamin E helps you stay healthy, it helps you gain weight, and it makes you look really plump. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be turning in the yogurt into the blender. After doing that, we're gonna be putting in a little water so that it won't be too thick when we're done blending. And then after, we're going to blend. Okay guys, so this is how it is after blending, and after that you turn this creamy, very creamy juice into a glass cup, and then let's keep that aside first of all. Okay, and also we're going to be making use of this, and this is granite or peanuts, however you want to call it, but of course you need some nut into this remedy to help you to gain those beautiful weights. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're gonna be washing this, yeah, because I got mine from a local market. And after washing that, then I'll have to transfer that into a blender also. Put in just a little water and then blend. Okay guys, so for the interest of those who have oily skin, if you must use peanuts or granite, you would have to use the fresh one, just like I did. Okay, so that you won't have to be breaking out a whole lot. Okay, so for today's video I'm gonna be sieving this out because I don't want the chaff, like the skin of this peanuts, to get into my juice. Yeah, I just want just the peanut. Yeah, I don't want the chaff or the skin of the granite. So I'll be pressing it out. Right guys, so this is it. Now I don't have no chaff. Now I'm gonna be transferring that into the bowl, into the cup, sorry, and this is how it's gonna be looking like. Oh my goodness guys, if you are aiming to gain weight, go take this. It's so healthy. Milk, everything is actually inclusive here, and trust me guys, you're going to be loving this because it's not just going to make you gain weight, it's going to make you look beautiful because it's going to nourish up your skin. It's going to make your skin flawless. It's going to make your skin glow, and it's also going to make your skin really smooth. So you need this not just to gain weight or gain hips, you know, or gain backside. You need this also to be healthy. So go try this out. I'm sure you're gonna be loving it a whole lot. So you can actually take it every day, at least 2 times in a day. Okay, if you must do it well, if you must do it, you have to do it well. So 2 times in a day you make this, and then you store it, and then you literally just be drinking it, and then you're gonna be seeing that lot of weight, you know, and then you're gonna be happy. Yeah, so that's it. It actually tastes really good, and it smells good too, and it helps so much. Like for me right now, you can see I'm already gaining weight because I'm carrying a baby, okay, an unborn baby. I don't want to gain weight anymore. Okay, so you can go give this drink a go, and it's going to be very helpful, and you're literally going to enjoy this. Okay, so that's it guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and bye.